Okay, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to take apart and clean your system sensor i3 2-wire smoke detector. This will be done if you have a dirty trouble on your panel or your detector keeps going off for no reason. Then that would be the point where you'd want to go ahead and clean your smoke detector. So to do this, all you got to do is take your smoke detector off of its base, and in order to do that you just turn it counterclockwise. Very simple. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take off this piece right here. This is the chamber part, and to do that you just turn it counterclockwise. Pretty simple. May take a little force on the first try, but trust me, you're not going to break anything. And that's what it looks like. And what you're going to do then is you're going to take your can of air. This is the same stuff that you use for cleaning keyboards and computers. Go ahead and just go and spray it out a few times. Get it nice and clean. And then what you're going to do is you're going to clean this part here, and this is the filter. So what you're going to do to take this off is just these two little arrows here. You just put your fingers right here, pinch it a little bit, and it should snap right off. You're going to get this part. This is the part where you really want to get this clean, because if there's any sort of debris inside of this part, it will set off your detector. Let's go ahead, get it clean. And then you're also going to spray out the detector itself. And then what you're going to do then is go ahead and reassemble the smoke detector. And to do this, it's very simple. Just line up these two little prongs here with your arrows, and should set like that, and then snap it right into place. And then you're going to go ahead and take your chamber and put that back over the detector. Clicks right in. And then once you've done that, go ahead and reassemble your smoke detector, put it back on the base, turn it, and then what I would usually do is just wait and make sure that this green LED is flashing, indicating that it's communicating with the panel. And then go back to your panel, make sure you got system normal. If you don't have system normal and it's still going off, or you still got a dirty trouble, then that would probably mean you need to replace your smoke detector with a brand new one. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.